What?
Here are some of the best tech advice tips that can help you stay ahead.
1. Keep software updated. Always update your software, operating system, and apps. These updates often include security patches and performance improvements that are essential to keeping your devices running smoothly.
2. Use strong, unique passwords. Avoid using the same password across multiple platforms. Use a password manager to keep track of strong, unique passwords for each service.
3. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Add an extra layer of security to your accounts by enabling 2FA. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access.
4. Back up your data regularly. Store backups of important files either in the cloud or on external drives. You never know when hardware might fail or ransomware could strike.
5. Be cautious of phishing scams. Never click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown sources. Phishing attacks are common, and they often come in the form of fake emails or messages.
6. Invest in good hardware. Whether it's a laptop, smartphone, or any other device, investing in quality tech can save you from headaches in the long run. It's often more efficient and cost-effective to buy durable, high-performing tech.
7. Optimize cloud storage. Use cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud for additional storage and file sharing. It's a convenient way to ensure your important files are safe and accessible from anywhere.
8. Use VPN for public Wi-Fi. When using public Wi-Fi, ensure your data is protected by using a VPN to encrypt your internet connection. Public networks are often a security risk.
9. Learn basic troubleshooting. Knowing how to troubleshoot basic problems can save you time and money. For example, restarting devices or clearing cache files often resolves many tech issues.
10. Stay informed on tech trends. Keep up with the latest tech trends and advancements. Whether through blogs, podcasts, or tech forums, staying informed can help you make better decisions about which tools or devices are worth investing in. Thank you for watching.
Please, subscribe if you really like it.